In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete interfaces in Airtable. Whether you're cleaning up old designs, removing tests, or just simplifying your workspace, I'll walk you through each step clearly so you know exactly what you're doing and what to expect. First, open your web browser on your computer and go to airtable.com. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you have access to multiple workspaces, because you'll be deleting something permanently and you want to be sure you're working in the right place. Once you're on Airtable, start by opening the base that contains the interface you want to delete. A base is like your main project or database, and interfaces are custom views or layouts built on top of that data. Take a moment to double check you're in the right base, since interfaces are tied to specific bases. With the base open, look toward the top right area of the screen for the Interfaces option. Click on Interfaces to open the interface gallery for this base. This is where you'll see all the interfaces that have been created for that particular base. Now locate the specific interface you want to remove. You'll see each interface displayed as a thumbnail or card, usually with the interface name and possibly a preview image. Scroll through the list if you have several, and be sure you select the correct one because the next steps will remove it permanently. When you've found the interface you want to delete, move your mouse over its thumbnail. Look for the three dots icon, sometimes labeled as More. This icon is usually in the corner of the interface thumbnail. Click on the three dots to open a small menu of options related to that interface. From this menu, look for the Delete option and click it. Airtable adds this extra step so that you don't accidentally remove an interface with a single click. As soon as you choose Delete, you should see a confirmation prompt appear on the screen. In this confirmation message, Airtable will ask you to confirm that you really want to delete the interface. Read the message carefully because deleting an interface is a permanent action. The underlying data in your base will usually remain intact, but the interface layout, views, and design associated with it will be removed and can't be easily restored. If you're absolutely sure you've selected the correct interface and you no longer need it, go ahead and confirm the deletion. Once you confirm, Airtable will permanently remove that interface from the base. It should disappear from the list of interfaces so you'll know the deletion was successful. That's all there is to it. You've opened Airtable, navigated to the correct base, accessed the interfaces area, found the interface you wanted to remove, used the More menu to choose Delete, and confirmed the deletion. This simple process can help you keep your workspace organized, avoid clutter from old or experimental interfaces, and make it easier for your team to focus on the layouts that actually matter.